YouTube? Welcome to the shop. It's that time of the month again. New hacker box. Hacker box 0043 Falken's Maze. Wonder what that could be. Lots of stuff in there, you can tell. Let's open it up and see what we got. Alrighty then. Let's go the other way. See what we got here. Well, you can already tell it's got lots of goodies in it. Alright. So, let's see what we got. I just forgot what that is. Serial interface, I think. There's the maze. I see a ball bearing in there. How does it work? Oh, okay. Am I going the right way? Oh, there it goes. Oh, I went the wrong. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Except I guess I failed there, huh? Oh well. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, okay. That's pretty cool. Little tiny ball bearing in there. That should be interesting to play with. Yeah, okay. I was wondering what that rattling was. A whole bunch of capacitors. Wow. Lots and lots of them. Awesome. Little tiny breadboard. Micro, mini USB, rather. Can't get it in there. Oh well. What is this? I see some servos. I'm not sure what that is. Some screws, some servo. Let's see, we got one servo. (9 gram) TS90A. Looks like there's a second one. Package of LEDs, resistors, capacitors, battery holders, some transistors, and a key ring. Interesting. A nano 3-volt. Maybe a little robot. Alright, looks like, nice. Got a little camera and an ESP32 cam. That's pretty cool. I was wanting one of those. That's awesome. Another, I don't think the first one was what I thought it was. This is the USB 3.3 volt. 5 volt to 3.3. Huh, that's pretty cool. Some hookup wires, some batteries. Hackerbox.com. Coin cell. What is, I wonder what this. Whopper. I have no idea what's going on here. Got a little sticker or two. Java. Some coffee. Ceramic capacitor kit. Okay, that's cool. So that goes with that. Tells you what you got. How about a nice game of chess? Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, so lots of stuff in this one. All about games, it looks like. But I'm really excited about this little camera. That'll be pretty cool. Looks like an SD slot on there too. Camera slides in there. That's awesome. Can't wait to play with that. I was actually about to buy one of those, so I don't have to buy one and play with this one. So yeah, that's a pretty nice haul as usual. Can't wait to start on this. Well, let me know what you guys think.